Hello, this is the first guitar lesson in my series of improvisation on the classical guitar, and I'll try to make a series from the beginning level until a very advanced level. And it will be about jazz improvisation, but it will be also about improvisation from a classical approach. I'll mix with some ideas about technique, classical technique, different techniques. And first of all, I have to say that if you're really a beginner, it's important to look for a good teacher in your neighborhood, and if not available, perhaps online. Okay, that said, I'll just start. So, let's first start with the right hand. If we want to make a nice melody, we usually use the rest stroke, and then we go with this finger and this finger, index, middle. So, and the index we indicate when we write I, and this is M. And later on we will use also the thumb, which is P, from Spanish pulgar, and the third, this finger, the A. So we have P, I, M, A. These fingers we will use. The little finger, in general, we use in rasguados from the Spanish. The rasguado is this one. Hey! The first sound on the guitar. So, let's start. We want to make a nice melody and we go. This is the G string. This is the B string. This is the E string. We just go. Here it sounds different, you see? This is more sharp on the bridge. We have the musical term, we say sul ponticello. So here is a warm sound. We just go and then look well that the direction of your fingers is towards your elbows. So here you go, your elbow. There we go. So try, for example, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sitting. It's also very important. You must sit, relax, not bend forward too much, not straight like this, just relax so you can move. And the guitar should not be towards here, but a little to the front, so you can reach here. So now we are going to think about the left hand. I want to try to make it easy, and we start with the blues, and a blues in G. So this was the G string. Note in the blues scale is the B flat. Now, usually in a method you will start with G and then B. So, what is B flat? B flat is half a tone down from B. So we have G, B, but the B is also here, of course. Sounds the same. So if you go B flat, it's half a step down, and then push the finger here, just be in front of the fret. This is called the fret, and this little metal thing. Yeah. So push. I say push. Well, it seems easy, but how? So if you push your finger, it's not really pushing from a finger. No, you have your body helping you. So in fact you have the weight of the elbow, which helps you to push down this finger. You have the strength towards your shoulder, so it pulls to your shoulder. If you wouldn't put your thumb, normally you have your thumb here, yeah, so you go like without your thumb, then you push automatically towards your shoulder. Then, so we have a force down because of the weight of your elbow, and you have a force to your shoulder. Seems complicated, but it's not. So if you are relaxed, you will do it without thinking. So we had G, B flat, and then the next note we need the first finger on the B string, which is the C. Now, in order to play a blues, we can already start with those 3 notes. That's nice, isn't it? So we take a tempo like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can gently help yourself with your foot going on the first and third beat, for example. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we think in phrases. I play guitar. I play guitar. I play guitar. Now we can also do quicker notes. Rest stroke, because we make a nice melody. Okay, well, if you manage to play that well, you can add a finger. Let's say the D. We had G, B flat, C, E. So we go 1, 2, G, B flat, C, D, B, C, B flat, G. Hey, you heard? I introduced a note which we didn't discuss, the B. We can, in between the B flat and the C, also play the free B string. That's called the blue note. So we go. Sounds more bluesy, isn't it? Okay, to finish the first lesson, we can also go to the C here. So, because if we go from B flat to B to C, and why not introduce a very bluesy thing, which is the slide. And it's very easy, in fact. So, we go, you play this B flat, and you go slide to the C. And then you can play this C also with the first finger, of course. So you go. The Did I say C? It's a D. Huh? So G, B flat, C, D, C, B flat. See you in the next lesson.